Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To all loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continuous support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we always tell if you look on your LCD, so what I tell you, hey, America still doing it and people easy, So that's it, so why are some dummies, saying that Kathleen Clark is a man pretending to be a woman? We just don't understand that still, but you know what, the Jamaica Young Police channel, we love to address things, So at the same breath now, them send out a thing, say, boy, hey, look, you have some mad, you have a whole heap of mad black people in America, like Dwayne Wade, him and his wife, what's your name, Gabriel Satan, like how she a mad woman, Will Smith and Femme family, them seriously gone. Yeah, hey, Will Smith should have boxed a Femme boy, him should have boxed, him name Willow. Yeah, that the boy, him say man cut off him soldier. I know the boy no cut it off, yeah. So, you don't know, say it's a crazy family, that one him thing, may I tell you. So, after them come out with this madness, say, them say Kathleen Clark is a man pretending to be a woman, so they must say, boy, yeah. You don't know the dummy them must say, boy, Kathleen Clark, I don't know a real man, I don't know, woman still is a man pretending to be a woman, because them all even say, boy, look on her body structure and this and that and all kind of things. And you know the dummy them already, they must say, boy, hey, look, there's no confirmation to say that Kathleen Clark is a woman. I don't know how them come by that, but hey, this is America, where conspiracy theory and all them things, they must say, the way how she shoot all 3 points, no woman is supposed to shoot 3 points, so the way she run and all kind of things, and then now them say, boy, the way and the way now, that our next bad man, that he must say, oh, so through the argument now, come up now about Kathleen Clark, he must say, hey, just wait till in time, my son getting an NWNBA. Hey, I said, hey, that brother is mad, How you mean him son get, well, because him have a son where the youth say him a girl and all them things. Me not even put up the youth picture, but just show you, say, we live in a crazy time, with crazy people. Yeah, so, some people on the internet are claiming that Kathleen Clark is a man pretending to be a woman. So this unfounded and hurtful accusation stem from a mix of misinformation, prejudice, and social media's amplifications effect. Hey, them people, you know, them want to all mash you up, you know, them just come out with all kind of things about you know, where you not even know, you know. You understand? So let's explore the reasons behind such claim and why addressing the counter and countering them is crucial. You have to understand, you know, so propaganda is a systematic dissemination of information, often biased or misleading to promote a particular political cause or point of view. So the reason why them come out with that now, so them say Caitlin Clark now, is because the liberals is behind her, and she's a man and all kind of thing, and you understand. Not because she white, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Them same white people, them this say all of them something, you know, about the woman, you know. So it is used to influence public opinion and behavior, typically through the selective presentation of facts, emotional appeals, and manipulating symbols and language. Propaganda can be spread through various media, you know, including news, posters, films, social media, and other forms of communication. Governments, political groups, and other organizations have employed it throughout history to shape perceptions and achieve specific goals. So propaganda is something them using. It's just like how them do all back in the days where some people are boy, you never finish something. We finish that paragraph there. Just like how Charles Darwin they tell the world, say boy, black people, so show a donkey skull, you know, and say black people that, you know, so we are not human being, you know. So them white people do that, you know. Yeah, man, and for centuries, you know, man, we are telling you, know, boy, them treat you like, actually, you not even know, man. But my ancestors are and we are our white ancestors. We shouldn't be here, you know, but we survive. Because the Taínos, them in a Hispaniola, them never survive. All of them, Christopher Columbus, wipe them out. We are telling you, and that's history. But we can't tell you, you know, say, we are telling you this. Most of the people, them, were tuning to the Jamaica Young Police Channel and all that. Most of them not too interested in educational material. Yeah, man, them interested in things as well. You know, them interested in things to make them feel nice and them thing there. Entertainment. Them not interested in educational thing. So that's why Rasta is always superior to Ballad. Because Rasta knows that education is important. No, them, yeah, I tell you. So, them want to know about what going on this a person's life and this and that and, you know. So not sure you try to educate them and even about history or even things will affect them life. Them not have no interest in that. So at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we firmly believe in our truth and do not endorse conspiracy theories. However, it's essential to recognize that some issues often dismissed as conspiracies are based on observable facts that many fail to acknowledge. So recently there has been a widespread frustration in various communities regarding impact of men who identify as women competing in women's sport. No, well, this is not a conspiracy, this is a fact. Because no man can compete and say, my woman, because you're a man, you understand what I'm saying? And guess what, them not take off them teely, you know. No, sir, you understand? So this concern arises from the belief that these individuals are unable to succeed in their birth sex category are attempting to dominate women's sports instead. Hey, me see I'm a man, you know, we say my woman, you know, in a UCF, you know, mash up a woman, a white man, you know, a white man, you know. We say my woman, you know. Yeah, man, I'm broke all the woman jawbone. I don't know whether the woman like about such she can fight about transgender and all them madness there. I saw them have winner, man. Me I tell you. So the only good thing about like with Russia and them thing there, Russia still maintain that sanity and them thing there. You understand? And now subscribe to them kind of madness there and them thing there. I don't know overreach a point there. Who will ever dream? Hey, look, if you don't have no children, you're not even want to have no kids because this is a world I got hell. What do you mean? Right now, the world I got hell. Whether or not you want to believe it. And forget about Christianity, because them are Christian, they are wicked people. They just got church because them have clothes and praise God. And they don't praise no God, nothing, and Satan and worship. They lie and wicked like what. I tell you, the same people are AA. You see, in America, where people then claim say them are evangelists. Remember me tell you, them the people that are not shooting at them. You stay far from them. You better eat on your yard. Remember me tell you, them are people you can't stay there. Them that believe in a God, truth and God. A wicked people them this. A wickedest man in the world and the most liar. Him them anoint and say about Jesus. Jesus not orange. Jesus is a black man. Yeah, so we move on. So this concern arises from the belief that these individuals are unable to succeed in their birth sex category, attempting to dominate women's sports instead. So a white man them this, you know, them can't win in a for them sport. So them transition and say, boy, me a woman, you know, cause them say and normally if a man that said that back in a like maybe 30 years ago, them put him in an asylum, say mad. No, them say my hero and them thing there. I say me I tell you, so them have the people them like zombies. So some see the situation as an attack on women's sports, undermining the achievements and opportunities of female athletes. So it now so them I said, no man, hey, this a girl woman here. Oh, she just come and broke all kind of record, and all of them record I said 40 a year, and them I said, no man, a woman set them record and them thing there. No man up, yeah man, and them I say the girl physique and everything is a man, you understand? I them say it, you know, but you understand? And they must say, boy, that's how the chatter they must say and them thing there. So some see the situations as attack on women's sports, undermining their achievements. So they must say, boy, because the white man, them can't compete against the black woman, them you understand? Them know I say them a woman for compete against the woman them, because they can't compete against the black man. So them know I compete now against the woman. Man I compete against the woman as man, because them want to dominate the sport. So eventually them say, boy, them are a killer of the women's sport, because them can't dominate the man's sport. Because if a woman say she'll become, imagine all what brother name? Imagine one of them tennis player all Venus Williams. I crush him and crush her. Although them retire, I just saw it go. So additionally, rumors have been circulating about Caitlin Clark, the newest sensation in the WNBA, questioning her gender based on her physique. It is important to note that no evidence supports these claims. So this is a prime example of how conspiracy theories can operate, creating confusion and distrust without factual bias. Hey, like this brother, you know, what him name? The brother with him, what film thing name? Film Information something, Jones. Boy, him say boy, they pitting them where they are connected to actors. I see it now. I broke no. The man, all the man for those apologize, and you have people still believe, you know, say pitting them like that. You know, oh, boy, I just say it go on them thing. You know, all people buy into them thing, you know. At our channel, we cannot confirm or deny Caitlin Clark's gender. So the confusion stems from the actions of a few who seem to believe they have the authority to manipulate and dictate reality. We strive to bring clarity and truth to our audience amidst this chaos. Understanding the accusation, you have to understand one, misinformation and lack of knowledge. Many individuals may need more accurate information about Caitlin Clark. Misinformation can spread rapidly online, and people might believe and share false claims without verifying their accuracy. Hey, may I tell hey, still you know, remember all one time, you know, what's your name, Michelle Obama, you know. Hey, may I tell you, know, people I tell me say Michelle Obama a man, you know. May I tell a man, hey, them people are not easy, you know. Boy, hey, America is something else, man. I just saw you regard them thing there. Yeah, and them I say, boy, so she say, boy, and them I say, boy, but Michelle Obama is a man, and them I show all our muscle, and hey, them people, you know, them not easy, you know, man. So prejudice and stereotypes, they are deep-rooted stereotypes and biases about gender and physical appearance. Some might make the assumption based on how someone looks or performs, leading to incorrect and harmful conclusions. Echo chambers and amplifications. Social media algorithm often amplify sensational and controversial contents because it generates more engagement. Yeah, true. Yeah. People them love the madness and them thing there. This can cause false claims to spread quickly and widely, reaching large audience and being repeated as if they were true. Yeah, I saw it up. Hey, the internet when it on fire, man. So malicious intent. Some individual might spread these claims to harm or discredit Caitlin Clark, whether motivated by jealousy, competition, or sheer malice. These actions can have severe consequences for the targeted individual. The importance of addressing these claims, protecting individuals from harm. And we believe in that. We believe in our truth. Spreading false information about someone's identity can cause significant emotional and psychological distress. It is a form of harassment and can contribute to hostile online and offline environment. Yeah, so, that way I say, why somebody else get up and start them thing? That's why we say we don't support them thing there. We don't support them conspiracy theory thing, but boy, say Kathleen Clark a man, and you understand. So we just want to say, hey, we don't buy them thing there, you understand. We can't confirm or deny say she a man or she a woman, but we just say, boy, hey, we not buying into that and them thing. Because we don't think say, should I get in a WNBA and she and a woman and them thing there. Although I'm say Dwayne Wade say my train theme son for getting in. All that are madness. Them thing they are just gimmicks still though. Believe you me. So promoting respect and inclusivity. Everyone deserves respect for who they are. Challenging and correcting false claims help promote a more inclusive society where people are accepted based on their true identity. Yeah, but nothing wrong with that. Because if you're a man, you're a man. If you're a woman, you're a woman. Yeah, I just saw it going them thing there. The devil is a liar. And we know say the devil are the art of confusion, and that's the way the devil do it. The devil strive on that, So upholding integrity and truth. In an age where misinformation can spread rapidly, upholding the values of truth and integrity is crucial. That not exists no more still though, whether or not you want to believe. I just with the little man that exists with the people them who have money, them feel say them are God on earth, and them not go dead, and them don't know say them have a soul, because them see themselves as soulless, and all them is all about. Because you have to understand, say capitalism make people heartless, If you notice that, hey, look, especially like we from Jamaica and them thing, most people migrate from Jamaica with it nice and loving and shit. Hey, it's when them come to America, different people them that worse when them go to England, that even worse. Because I saw the system designed to keep people subjugated to, you understand, a certain kind of life. You understand? We know that we know so by actively countering false claims, we can contribute more informed and truthful public discourse. Encourage critical thinking. We encourage people to think critically about the information they encounter by addressing and debunking false claims. This helps build a more discerning and thoughtful society. Hey, I don't. One time, there was a girl from South Africa where I don't even remember her name right now still, and she didn't run as a 200 meter champion or something like that. And boy, they must say, boy, she a man and all kind of thing, and she have to do a steroid thing because the way she not win the race. And when I team see her again, when I team know what I'm to her. And, because if the white woman must say, no, sir, it's a man this way run against her. Them tell the transgender thing never did so, out there like now. Although we see it kind of cool down. Because people kind of push back hard upon it. Because man say, oh, the man is supposed to sit in a bathroom with my daughter or my wife and them thing there and all kind of thing. I forget one thing still doing you have a mob in America and them thing there anyway. When them ready, them are the real like Hezbollah in America, I tell you, yeah man. Yeah man. So verify information. Always check the sources of any claim you encounter online. Reliable sources and verified information are essential in determining the truth. Speak out against misinformation. If you see false claim being spread, take a stand, politely correct the misinformation, and provide accurate information to help educate others. So that's why we are telling you at the Jamaica Young Police Center. I said, no, buying that madness where they must say, boy, say the woman a man and them thing. Although we don't know that still for a fact, because we don't have evidence to support what we are saying, but we are saying, don't buy night. You understand what I'm saying? Because through them I say, boy, through the white man them can't compete in a sport with the black man. They must send out so them a woman to compete against the black woman and the white woman. You understand? While the white woman them can't transition to man to compete against man. To compete against the men them. So you understand? So support the target individuals. Show solidarity and support those targeted by false claims. Positive reinforcement and public support can make a significant difference. Promote media literacy. Encourage others to develop media literacy skills, including evaluating information sources and critically understanding misinformation impact. The claim that Kathleen Clark is a man pretending to be a woman are baseless and harmful. We all must be vigilant, critical and supportive in the face of such misinformation. Doing so, we help create a more respectful, informed and inclusive society. So unfounded rumors are circulated online that Dwayne Wade is preparing his son to play in the WNBA as a woman. These claims are not only baseless but also deep-rooted in misunderstanding and prejudice about gender identity. Addressing these misconceptions and promoting a more informed and compassionate perspective is crucial. Understanding gender identity. Why anytime I go, I just know man or woman. So gender versus sex now. It is essential to distinguish between gender and sex. Sex refers to biological attributes such as chromosomes, hormones, and autonomy. In contrast, gender is a social and personal identity that may or may not align with an individual's sex assigned at birth. Well, that's kind of confusing still though, you know. I tell you, yeah. I don't understand. That kind of... It should be an old man, you understand what I'm saying? Because I just know about sex, you know, yeah. Your biological attribute and even gender, either you're male or female. So, what I mean, know. So, chromosome and gender identity. The idea that a woman is identified solely by her chromosome, typical XX, is overly simplistic and does not account for the complexities of human identity. Gender identity is about how individuals perceive themselves and how they choose to express that identity. That is just all madness and them thing. We can't go down that road because from creation, God make Adam and Eve. God never make no man and a woman, and God is not the author of confusion. That's the devil. So respect for transgender individuals. Transgender people experience a gender identity that is different from the sex they are assigned at birth. Their identity are valid and deserve respect, suggesting otherwise perpetuate harmful stereotype and discrimination. Boy, hey, look here. Me is me a black man and them thing. I can't go tell nobody say me white. They might laugh off of me and say me mad, so I just saw it go, I just facts. You're black, so you just hug up that. You understand? So addressing rumor, misinformation and prejudice. You understand? So Dwayne Wade, so the claim that Dwayne Wade is preparing his son to play in the WNBA as a woman is rooted in misinformation and prejudice. Dwayne Wade has publicly supported his transgender daughter. I remember they have suffix, prefix, and suffix, and trans mean moto and all. But I don't know. I just saw it going on thing there. Different. So him saying publicly support his transgender daughter Zaya in her journey to live authentically, misrepresenting this support foster misunderstanding and intolerance. So them say, boy, that's one of the reasons why you know see them over LeBron James yard again and them thing like him. Then I'm at this doing way that you understand. And Will Smith and for them mad. Boy, I mean, know all black people. Well, I don't know. I just say one of them things. Support and acceptance. Dwayne Wade's support for Zaya exemplify parents affirming their child's identity. Their acceptance is crucial for the mental and emotional well-being of transgender individual. It is a powerful message of love and support that should be celebrated, not distorted. Hey, look here, in time I grow on them thing then. I grow it all kind of. If you come from Jamaica and you don't know no guy where behave like woman and vice versa, let me say you don't come from Jamaica. Because me live around them, go school with them. Yeah, boy, we have him Teely and him thing there, and him behave like a brother when him Kirk. I remember him last name and him thing there. Yeah, me and him youth they used to go to school, all high school, but you don't know. So the man in a hide it still, you know. So me not even know if him big up in a me I forgot ask man like all Ian and Danny and all them man they will know them youth there, you understand? Because me not really come from Fidem town per se, you know. I just got them school and them thing there. But them the man there, yeah, the man in a height, the man there, yeah, the man there walk like girl. I just saw it go on them thing. The man never do him nothing on them thing there. I just you know see it. So me don't know if him you know see it. And then you have one brother when named My Lord. So them say me don't know, but yeah, my friend and him a lawyer and them thing and them say yeah, My Lord a big. Yeah, although him a man and them thing, a brother black, you know, but me don't know if I yeah. Because me not see him from left school still, but you know, someone not say boy, My Lord, in a rear admiral thing to and all them something. So I just saw it go. You understand? So the importance of addressing these misconceptions, combating harmful stereotypes, false claims about transgender individuals, especially those in public eye, reinforce harmful stereotype and contribute to a culture of discrimination and exclusion. Addressing these claims can help dismantle these prejudices. Yeah, and look here, and one of the biggest problems still when it come on to with the transgender thing. You know, and them thing that cause people to lose them life and them thing. You say if a man, like I was reading a thing the other day with some up north and them thing there where a man him gets a head. So those of you who don't understand head don't have to go look up that because I can't go say it explicit for them thing. Because I'm not indulging that. Me is a old man. When me say old, me come like the old like people them from Moses there, we believe in a God and I know some have a soul. Yeah, Jah Rastafari, you understand? Me's a Rasta man, although me not grow my locks, cause you can ask man like ugly man and spanner banana and them man. They will tell us a teacher right, them call me. Our father right, cause me's a Rasta, you know me. Me always be Bob Marley, me listen and the man must say a bit boring music that and hey, me can't tired of Bob Marley. When me I play Bob Marley, me I tell you, yeah man, down the night man, and me I explain it to a man, explain it to the youth, them and them thing. And so you're police, we are Babylon and you love Bob Marley and Bob. So no, I just saw it go. You can't hide from the truth. You understand? Yeah man, you can't hide the truth. The truth in there. You have to just love it. You understand? So we're not promote that. We're not in a madness business and them thing now. You know about up is down and down is up and no, we none of that. Yeah, we all, you understand, and we know say boy, black are black, white are white, yellow are yellow, and you can't tell us that black is red and all them things. We never eat that. We can't see and we can't think, and you understand, and you can't tell about white people. Alright, a man can be a woman, and then you say a white woman can be say black. What kind of all them things they just confusion and them things they just. We don't know say just wicked people control the world and them thing there. But the minority, the majority of good people is just a minority of wicked people. You understand? It's just like how, you know, remember back in the days and them thing when the people them can't take it no more, where king and the queen them are doing, they must attack the part. That's go happen one of these days. I tell you. Yeah. So promoting and understanding acceptance. We can create a more inclusive society by correcting misinformation and fostering understanding. Education about gender identity and experience of transgender is a vital to promoting acceptance and empathy. So this is it now. This is how me say now. If a man knows, yeah, this is a thing now with that community there. Yeah, you understand where the man them say them a woman. If you know say in a year head because remember saying you have all of your marbles, you know. I mean then I say you have all of your marbles. So in a year head you have your long teely and them thing there. But you feel say boy, yeah. You're a woman. You understand? I'm saying you have your marbles, you know, cause you understand what I'm saying. So if you know as a man and you claim say you're a woman, if a man see and like you because you put on all kind of mascara and all kind of face this and face that, anytime a man talk to you, if you tell the man say, hey look here, me I'm a woman, you know, me's a man, you know, but me, in my head, me feel like me a woman. Make the man know before so the man know, you know, encourage the man in a false sense, him feel say, boy, oh, me, I got not that girl, you know, and he's a man. Make him know that. But if you talk that now, them say you're homophobic and I know, I truth. So when I tell you, say about the truth. The truth have to be truth and them things. Because that's why I saw it go on them things there, you know. Yeah, because we have a soul and you understand. You know, see it. So how to counter false claim? Educate yourself and others. Learn about gender identity and the experience of transgender individuals. Share the knowledge with others to combat ignorance and missing. As we say on them thing that we don't have hey, look here, we don't have a problem if a man wants to say I'm a woman. But if you say you're a woman and vice versa, yeah, nobody tell me say we if you accept it, say boy, you a woman, you're a man and you're a woman with a beard and you have long body and all. You know, like that. We know a woman have pum punani, vagina and all them things. And I come tell you about what you think. And I know so we did raise on them things. Because I see in Bible where them indoctrinate with it and everything as we still work with. So when I care what you want to say about, boy, you know I work with it. You know I work with it, but we are work with it. We are work with it, you understand what I'm saying? We don't say you don't care about your soul, but we care about our car. We want to know same time we dead, we soul got the right place and them things. We don't want to we soul in the cycle of torment. Yeah, no, we know that. So speak out about misinformation, yeah. When encountering false claim, calmly and respectfully correct them. So we are gonna tell people the truth. We see where this thing affect as we tell people 31 years ago, Shabba ranks. Just because Shabba ranks a black man, that's why we tell us say Christian them in America are fat. Them are fake. Them are not Christian. Because when Shabba ranks come out and say, marriage between a man and a woman, and them from them in watch all MTV again, and them chastise him and mash up destroy them think them will destroy him. Use economic terrorism and destroy Shabba life. When destroy him, because the people them love Shabba ranks like. You understand? Him still and Shabba one of the highest paid artists. Him just stay from him busy with them and them thing there, and you understand? And him still do him song them. See him here. Shabba no take out nothing out of him catalog. Unlike the coke taste in Dread. Where say, and boy him a fight for who? Him not fight for nobody but himself. Cause hey look, Chief Gory him go check and them thing there and Chief Gory sort him out. You understand? So yeah, as we say, them say in time, when encountering false claim, calmly and respectfully correct them. Provide accurate information and resource to help others understand the reality of gender identity. So you tell a man, say boy, yeah, a man with a long seed is a man. Him can't be a woman. If him think say a woman in him head, say he's a madman. That's just simple as that. We don't say liberalism and we don't say white people don't like that because them fees say them are God and them because them control the system, the money system, and every system. God them control the system, How money come about. And them create money and nothing like God did put we down and give we money. How people get rich. And them create money and them thing, they see white people them. And them, you understand. So, we don't work with that. So they must say support transgender individual. We don't have no problem with a man saying a woman, but if you are going to talk to one next man, a man, see because you portray yourself say a woman. Tell a man say a man, but you just tell him say in a year head you're a woman. No time you and the man a kiss or you give man head and him thing, then the man see your soldier stand up. And at them thing they cause murder. And you not talk to the people them about that. That's enough to tell them. That's what you call honesty. But you don't know. I never meet an honest liar in my life yet, to this day. You understand? We believe it, you understand what I'm saying? So, in conclusion, the rumor that Dwayne Wade is preparing his son to play in the WNBA as a woman are unfounded and harmful. How that harmful? If him say it. Well, they must say him not say it still. Addressing these misconceptions with accurate information and empathy is essential. Doing so can contribute to a more understanding, respectful and inclusive society for all individuals regardless of gender identity. So look, you see like Will Smith little, what his name? Willow. That, you understand? If him do all the next movie and them thing there. I like all Will Smith. You can't get me to go watch a next movie with him. Because when him go do all Chris Rock and them thing there. Any boxer him for boxer, box him boy. Because him boy a mad boy and them thing there. Boy just saw it go and them thing there. So you have black people where them just mad and whole of them for them pitting mad and them thing there. And them just love the madness. You understand? So as we say, boy, we don't believe what them say about Caitlin Clark, say, say she a man. We don't say all of them things there, just out of jealousy and them things there. And so we just want to know, say, boy, we are the Jamaica young police and we don't subscribe to that. You understand? Unless them come out with evidence to the contrary and say, yeah, well, I really true, say she a man. But right now, we are working it because she not playing at the you know, the college thing and all them thing. You understand? So we can't say boy all jealousy and them thing because she broke every record, you know, Steph Curry record, you know. And that's why they must say, no, she ain't no girl, she a man. But hey, to each his own. The truth should always, the truth is the truth, and hey, we're not nurse and powder people, you know, when we tell you the truth and them thing. As we say, we can't confirm or deny, say, Caitlin Clark is a man or she's a woman. We see her and them say she a woman because she not playing at the college thing. So we just work with it and them thing there. Just like Angel Reese, you understand? We see Angel Reese and, you know, she, you know, reveal up her thing and, yeah man, she hot as a little girl. Could have be her father and them thing there, but I'll even, you know, and them I say, hey, there's a new, different era. Me remember when time I go and them thing there, me never see my mother breast. Me never see my sister them breast. No, them a pitney. You see everything. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.